Hey everyone, in this video, I'm walk you through how to use Gorgias Shopify app step by step. Now, if you are running an online store, you know how crazy customer support can get. Gorgias help you to turn that chaos into smooth, profitable workflow. In this video, you will learn how to create macros to save time on replies. And the second thing is how to add customer manually and how to create a manage support tickets all in simple and beginner way. So let's get started. Now let's get started with installing Gorgias on your Shopify. Head over Shopify admin dashboard. Just simply click on the Shopify. Just search for Shopify and click on the first link. Log in with your credentials or with Google. Now, after logging in with Shopify, you will get to see this kind of interface in front of you. Now, in the left bar, you will get to see the app option. Just simply click on the add apps and search for Gorgia, Gorgias desk. Just simply click on that. It will take you to the page of that and just simply click on the install. It will take you to admin dashboard and hit the install button. And as you can see here, we have successfully added Gorgias live chat app. Now connect your Gorgias will ask you to create an account. Just simply click on this button, which is create Gorgias account, and it will take you to this page. And over here you have to enter your password, or you can just simply click on explore your help desk. And I will just simply click on this explore your help desk. Okay, so I have added a password and please wait. So this is a welcome screen. Select and just simply select the Shopify as your store platform. Just welcome to Gorgias. Tell us about your business so we can tailor your onboarding experience. Where are most of your support requests coming from? I will choose email. And then what's your main objective with the Gorgias? We just simply click on the improve some support efficiency, and then you have to click on yes, interested. And how big is your support CX team? We don't have a team, or I am a team of one. Choose it. Now Shopify store is connected, as you can see here. Now it's time to connect email and channel. Now it's time to add email. What you have to do is just simply in the left side corner, you will get to see this setting option and click on that, and select the email and add email address over here. You can connect Gmail account and you can connect Microsoft account as well. I will choose Gmail, and once it connected, Gogia will verify your email, and this lets you to manage customer messages and directly from the dashboard. You can also add channels later like Facebook Messenger or Instagram DMs. You can also So we have successfully connected our store. Now let's check out macros. Now the cool part about macros, think of them like a pre-written responses you can send with a click. You can also set up automation to tag tickets, assign to teammates, or reply instantly to common questions. So simply click on this check macros. It will take you to the dashboard where you can manage your macros. If you want to create a macro, just simply click on the left side and you can give a name as well, for example, as a test. And if you want to, so you can select your language from here. If you want to, after the selecting language, you can add a response text over here. and after the adding response you can select actions, and you can create just simply macros from clicking of this button. So this saves you hours of work. You don't need to respond every text. Now if you talk about how to create ticket, go into your home dashboard where you will get to see this create a ticket option. So you can assign and snooze and close ticket as well. You can view full customer history from here, like email, phone, order value, or anything like that. You can even tag conversation like shipping question or refund question as well. Just simply click on this create ticket to create a ticket. Now over here you can search for subject, and you can assign your to your myself as well, and you can add a reason, add product. This field does not have any value yet. Now let's talk about macros and how to create one. So macro is basically a pre-written response that helps you to reply faster. For example, your order has been shipped. Now to create macro, what you have to do, just simply come on this setting, and on the left side you will get to see macros in the setting option. Just simply click on the macros. Now in the right side we will get to see this create macros. Just simply click on the create macro button on the right, and over here you have to name your macro. For example, order shipped message, or order shipped, and then you have to select language. I will choose auto detect, so it will auto detect the language, and then you have to add tags. Like, it is optionally, but if you want to add, you can add. So in the response text area, type your message. For example, hi there, your order has been shipped. So then after that you can even add actions like forward an email, add attachment, add tags, remove tags, and you can set status as well. Now once it's all ready to create macro, boom, just simply add Shopify action. For example, if I will add action forward email, and over here you can add one more thing, which is in some cases forwarded message may be visible to the right to the original sender. So after doing that, all of those things, just simply click on the create macro. So this is how you can create your own macro using this. Just simply go back. As you can see, they have pre-built macros. If you go into them, you can see their actions, and if you want to update this macro, just simply click on the update macro, and then you can just simply change the things. Now let's know how to add customer. For example, you might want to add customer manually sometimes. Here is how. First of all, click on this customer option. Over here you can add a new customer. In the right side corner you will get to see this add customer. Just simply click on this add customer button, and from here you have to give the name and the node and their email address and their phone number. You can add multiple emails and number using plus add button, as you can see here. And to remove an entry, click on the trash icon, so it will remove that. Now once all details are filled, click add customer and you are done. Now let's create a ticket. So what you have to do, if after the adding customer, what you have to do, just simply see in the left side you will get to see the home page, and then simply click over here, and from here you can create a ticket. As you can see here in the left side there is an option called create ticket, and just simply click on the create ticket. Now over here you will see a form like enter subject like missing order, and like you have to enter your subject missing order, for example, and then you have to give tags, it is optional, but you can add. Under assign to, select the team member from the drop down, and you can assign yourself as well, or you can add a new user. If you want to search user by just their email, you can search that too. Now add the contact reason and product or resolution, and if needed, CC someone by entering their email address as well. Finally, write an email message, the text box, as you can see here. You can Janik, how can I help you? Sign off. They have some pre-built, as you can see here. You can give that too. Now, once everything is ready, hit send button and your ticket is created. This is how you create a track your solve issues efficiently. Every reply or update will be logged inside the ticket. So just simply over here you can send it or create it. And now if you talk about, if you want to connect Gorgias to your other tools like WhatsApp or Instagram, uh, then again you have to click on the setting, click on the setting and scroll down a little bit, and you will get to see this app store option. In the app store you have to choose all app. Now over here you can see like a marketplace for the app. You can select WhatsApp as well, big e-commerce, and if you want Facebook you can add that too. Just find the app you want like WhatsApp and Facebook and click on that, and from here you can log in with the Facebook as well, and you can connect. Follow on the screen setup, it will connect. This is a great if you want to handle all the message, emails, DM chats or from inside Gogi. Now that's it. You know how to create powerful macros and how to manage customer profiles, and then create, assign and track support tickets. You can integrate Gorgias with other apps to manage everything in one place. This setup is perfect for Shopify store owners who want to streamline support, improve response time, and even turn support into revenue driver. Now, if this video helped you, then get a like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.